Ladies and gentlemen, let's get right to it. What we have here, roughly translated from German to English, would be called cable salad. All these USB wires are not working for Android Auto with my LG phone, and none of them used to work. You will find out why I said used to work, because I already tried them all over the years and none of them worked. The only one that worked was the original wire what came with the phone. So just let's get rid of all that stuff here. None of these are working. So the only wire that really worked was the original phone wire what came with my LG phone. Now lately I got some disconnects, and they were not software related like many of you experience the 100% charge disconnect and stuff like that. So I looked at the seller's description. If it states this USB wire will work with Android Auto. The first one I found was the Amazon Basic, and I was surprised. Amazon Basic, and it states it works absolutely with Android Auto. Comes with a cable tie, and we will test it. The next wire I found was the Anchor. The Anchor has also a cable tie, and the price is around $15. So let's go downstairs, take my car out, connect the wires, see if Android Auto works, and then go for a ride. First, let's test that cable what came with the LG phone here. So I'm gonna plug it in my phone. My phone is not charged right now, so I don't know what will happen. Connects it to Android Auto. So my Android Auto is functioning. Now let's test the next one. We just disconnected, I just unplug it. Let's start with the Amazon Basic. So let's plug this in here. And see if Android Auto starts up. The charging started. And yes, Android Auto starts right away. Don't worry about the internet connection, it will come back. Next, we are connecting the Anchor. And the Anchor seems to work right away also. Now we will take the car out, go on a little bumpier road, and we will see the outcome. I have no disconnects yet. Let me see if my radio is playing. I'm gonna make sure you can't hear the radio so I don't get flagged here or sued. Okay, let's change the wires real quick. So the test showed me the wire from Amazon Basic and Anchor works perfect for my phone to connect it to my Sync 3 system and have Android running without interruption. So when you order a wire for your device, make sure your device is listed and Android Auto is listed in the seller specification. That's it for today. Please hit that like button on that video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I really appreciate it.